Namaste and welcome to the Yin Yoga Functional Approach series. This is a series where I will take you on a journey through the myofascial lines in the body. Coming from Yin Yoga, where we work with connective tissue in the body, it is saying it by itself already. Everything is connected. And even in our muscles, we find a big part being connective tissue. And then actually everything connects itself in the body from the feet all the way up to the skull, on the front of your body, on the back of your body, on the sides of your body, as spirals in this body. And every practice is meant to work on one of those lines in the body, inspired by the anatomy trains of Tom Myers, which is a full somatic approach of working and releasing on those lines. So as always, if there's anything you like to give feedback on this series, you can do it here or underneath the videos. Might be even able to go in on one of your requests to record a certain video on a certain line. But for now, enjoy the practices you find here in this functional approach Yin Yoga series.